Welcome to Aussie Survival and Preparedness. Today we're going to review the Infinity X1 5000 lumen flashlight. This was purchased at Costco, and when they say it's a dual power rechargeable, it has a rechargeable battery cell in the wall here and a case that holds 9 AA's, which it confirms down here. 9 AA's or 1 rechargeable battery cable. Now in terms of function, you can turn this down to 800 lumens and it'll go for about 5 hours and 70 meters, or you can crank it up to the 5000 and it'll last substantially less time, but it goes substantially further. We'll be testing this out once it hits dark tonight, and without further ado, let's get into it. So I've already taken the actual box out of the box, and it's quite a nice box, quite fancy looking for something made in China. Let's see if we can open this one-handed. So there you go. Yeah, it comes with there's 8, I think, and then there's 5. So you have the 9 batteries that you would need for the battery tube. It's not too heavy. It's not too much weight in that. I suspect this one, yeah, there's a solid bit of weight in that. And the torch itself, actually, it's probably about at least half a kilo to a kilo just by itself, heavier in the top end. One big bright LED in there, and I'm guessing that, as you can see, there's some dots there, that you'll press this and it'll go from 800 to 2500 to 5000. But once it hits dark tonight, we'll figure all that out for sure. Construction wise, it feels good. It feels solid. There's not much else I can say. So I'm going to stop the video in a minute, and then when I resume the video, it'll be night time, and we'll be in the park and we'll test the torch out, what it's capable of. Does it actually get 200 meters like it's saying? Because the park that I'll be going to from end to end is about 200 meters, which is a good little test there. Alright, I shall see you guys soon. So welcome back, guys. I'm on my way to the park now. Just thought I'd give you a little bit of a look around. So that's on the highest setting without zooming it in. That's on the 2500, and that's on the lowest setting. So I'll be back once I get to the park, and then I'll show you how far it can actually shine. So those far goalposts you can see are about 150 meters, and I can see the second set behind them, which is about 250. I'm just gonna try and one-hand zoom this light. I'll be right back. So that's a slightly more narrow beam. Still pretty good, quite bright. That was on the highest setting even. So that's the highest setting for the unzoomed, and I was actually incorrect before. The first one I showed was the fully zoomed out. So see if I... Yeah, so that was zoomed in, that's zoomed out, so you get a wider beam. And as you can see, very bright, very efficient. So one thing I didn't mention before with the battery pack. So the 2 battery packs, one's got batteries, the other one's a rechargeable. You can actually use that rechargeable battery pack to recharge stuff, like a phone, because it has a USB output for charging other devices. But anyway, guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. This is a good torch. If you're at Costco, you should definitely get one. And I'll catch you guys next time.